Today we're making this delicious lamb burger that's perfect for the spring season. I'll start with making the pickled red onions by combining lime juice, red wine vinegar, garlic, bay leaves, and salt. Bring this to a simmer and pour this over your thinly sliced red onions. Submerge the onions in the pickling liquid and let this sit for 30 minutes before refrigerating. For the harissa aioli, mix together mayonnaise, grated garlic, harissa paste, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, salt, and lemon juice. Now for the tzatziki sauce, combine Greek yogurt, cucumber, parsley, dill, mint, lemon juice, and olive oil. For the burger mix, combine ground lamb, olive oil, grated garlic, ground cumin and coriander, and a combination of fresh herbs which includes dill, mint, parsley, and oregano, then lemon zest and salt and pepper to taste. Now divide the burger mix into 3 even portions. Now heat your Charbroil Pro Series 2-burner gas grill to 450 degrees. Add on the lamb burgers and cook them for about 6 minutes per side or until it reaches your desired temperature. Once the lamb burgers are done, remove them from the grill, then toast the buns. To build your burger, add a spoonful of the harissa aioli to the bottom bun, followed by the lamb burger, pickled red onions, then add the tzatziki sauce to the top bun, and now your burger is ready to enjoy.